Welcome to this video where we'll discuss the revolutionary chatbot called Chat GPT. In our past videos, we've been talking about Chat GPT, what it is, and the role Microsoft plays in all of this. In this video, we want to talk about Elon Musk as an investor in OpenAI and his thoughts about all of this.
Elements of an AI neural net are really very similar to a human brain.
This cutting-edge technology was shared with the world on November the 30th. So let's remember, what is Chat GPT? Chat GPT is a free online tool that generates text based on user prompts. It can create a wide range of content, from movie scripts to computer code. But what's even more impressive is the technology behind Chat GPT. The technology behind Chat GPT was developed by OpenAI, a company founded in 2015 by a group of donors, including Elon Musk. OpenAI's goal was to research and develop artificial intelligence in a responsible manner for the benefit of humanity. However, after becoming the CEO of Twitter, Elon Musk banned OpenAI from accessing his company's database of tweets and has been openly criticizing the company on social media. But why would Elon Musk, one of the founders of OpenAI, be so critical of the company he helped start? Well, the answer lies in the transformation of OpenAI. OpenAI was initially a non-profit organization, but securing a $1 billion investment from Microsoft, it transitioned to a capped profit organization. This means that investors can receive a return on their investment, but it's capped at a predetermined limit. Beyond this limit, any profits are used to fund OpenAI's mission of developing AI for the benefit of humanity. But Microsoft received a return on its investment that is capped at 100 times its original investment. That means that OpenAI would have to generate $100 billion in profit to pay Microsoft back. With such a high rate of return, the cap is essentially meaningless, and OpenAI is effectively a for-profit company. Microsoft is already starting selling ChatGPT's technology to enterprise customers on its Azure cloud computing platform, and there are reports that it's considering investing even more money in OpenAI. Now, if you're liking this content, please subscribe and like the video. So, why is Elon Musk so concerned about OpenAI and ChatGPT? Elon Musk has long been concerned about the potential dangers of artificial intelligence and the risks it poses to humanity once computers become smarter than people. He founded OpenAI as a non-profit focused on maximizing the benefit and safety of humanity, not maximizing profit. However, it seems that OpenAI quickly abandoned its non-profit status and pursuit of financial gain. And this is why Elon Musk has said that ChatGPT is scary good and that they're not far from dangerously strong AI. Jordan Peterson said, "Now we have an AI model that can extract a model of the world from the entire corpus of language, and it's smarter than you, and it's going to be a hell of a lot smarter than you in 2 years. And others like Mark Andreessen recently tweeted how this is affecting children. Are we entering an AI war? Well, we'll get into this in our next video where we talk about how Google is preparing to respond. As the initial hype of ChatGPT begins to subside, it remains to be seen what the future holds for this technology. Is it close to dangerously powerful AI or a valuable tool with limited use? Only time will tell, but one thing is for sure, AI and ChatGPT are changing the world we live in. Whether for good or bad, it's up to us to make sure that we use this technology responsibly and for the benefit of humanity. Thank you for watching, and if you like this content, please subscribe and like the video, and we'll do our best to keep you updated on all the latest AI developments in the future.